इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखना।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि कफ़ा व सलामुन अला इबादिहिल्लज़ीना इस्तफ़ा अम्मा बअद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम वला तहिनु वला तहज़नु व अंतुमुल अअलौना इन कुंतुम मुमिनीन। Respected President, Secretary, respected our committee members, audience, brothers, my teachers and mother or sisters. My name is Ali Hussain. I read in class Hifz 4. Our madrasa name is Madrasa Hifzul Quran Kalamur Rahman Hazratpur Malda. Now I will talk on the topic Allah the Creator. Surah As-Saffat, ayat number 96, Allah says, Wallahu khalaqakum wa ma ta'malun. Well, Allah has created you and what you make.
MashaAllah.
Allah is our creator. He has created us. He has made the earth and the sky. He has made all things on the earth. He has made the animals and plants. He has made the mountains and oceans. He has decorated the